A diagnostic test assesses students' existing knowledge and skills, identifying gaps before instruction begins. It provides a baseline to track progress and helps teachers tailor lessons to individual needs. By offering insights into students' strengths and weaknesses, diagnostic tests guide personalized instruction and foster student self-awareness, ultimately enhancing the effectiveness of teaching and learning. We will now walk through a quick demo of the Myelin app for the diagnostic test. To get started, log in using your credentials. Once you are in, navigate to the Online Assessments section from the left-aligned menu and select Diagnostic Test as your test type. After that, choose the subjects you'd like to be assessed on and select the test you wish to take. Once the assessment starts, complete it by answering all the questions. Upon finishing, your results will be displayed immediately, including both correct and incorrect answers. Myelin will also provide detailed individual reports, offering insights for both students and educators. These reports help in identifying areas for improvement, making it easier to create personalized educational strategies tailored to each student's needs. This not only enhances the academic journey of students but also contributes to the overall performance of the school. Thank you for watching this demo. We look forward to supporting your students' success in the diagnostic exam and beyond.